Hey guys, hi. So now we have come to Vgears.
Hi guys, in this video we will see how to replace the Givi Trekker Outback top box lock with the Triumph Tiger lock. So this is the Givi lock which you receive from your Triumph Tiger. You get 3 locks, one for top box and 2 for panniers. The specialty of these locks are one key for all 3, just one key for one top box and 2 panniers. You can unlock and unmount your top box and panniers just with this one key. So let's go ahead and uninstall this Givi lock. At first you got to remove the 4 screws inside the top box. These are the 4 screws inside the Givi top box which has to be unscrewed at first. Once you unscrew, the lock comes out very easily. Since the customer doesn't like to carry multiple keys, so he's trying all by himself. So this is how you got to remove the lock, and this is how the box look after the lock is removed.
Bro, in case if you wanted to buy this lock separately, is it available?
The locks alone? I don't know. Yeah, they just gave it with the bike because it's an ATV. Okay. So you're supposed to hold it on because there's a little spring. It'll just pop the entire thing out. Ideally, it should just follow. Yeah, there you go. Better.
You got to hold this, otherwise the
spring will just pop out.
This will come out.
So you just kind of. So you see this ball? You see the difference in the ends?
Yep, understood.
So this is how it should ideally be for it to go in.
As you see here, we were not able to install the Triumph lock.
This Triumph. This Givi.
The Triumph lock and the Givi locks are different. Since we were not able to swap the lock, we are trying to put back the Givi lock.
So I think the boxes that Givi supplies to Triumph are different. So if we put that there first, then this can create a level surface. Like so.
Okay,
right? Okay. So someone, okay, just facing right side.
Go, you do it.
Just like that. The other way. Tipu Inka.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, put it down. Just get it.
Yes.
That's it. Yeah. Now the circle.
Central circle right.
Washer?
Washer is here. Okay.
What you did? The ball?
Okay. So the ball, actually we were trying to put it over the metal.
Okay.
So there is a spring, right? Then there is the ball, and the ball actually sits between this metal plate that you see here, this thing.
Okay, metal
right?
plate.
So it sits between that and the spring.
Okay.
We were trying to put it over it for some reason. Like, my bad. But
so first we got to put this. Oh my God.
So first we put the lock.
Okay.
Right.
Lock.
We put the lock. The lock has its housing and stuff. There is a little spring over here.
Okay.
Right. So over the spring there's one ball.
Okay.
Right? It's not a bearing or anything. This is one ball. And then you have the metal.
This metal plate has to go in. Okay.
And then once that is done, you put this plastic over it.
Plastic over it. And the ball doesn't come on top of this.
On top of this, it stays between the metal and this and the body. So this plastic is just to kind of
to confuse us.
to confuse us. Yeah, it's there to it's a state. So that's it.
What happened?
This thing is approved. For that we actually placed it.
The lock is replaced.
Okay, upside down.
Yeah.
So actually we made a mistake here. If you see carefully, the number is on the top, and on the lock which we are replacing, we have placed it upside down. So we are trying to redo it again.
So yeah, so you see there's the ball.
Okay, first the ball goes.
And the metal goes over it. Metal stay. and then just sits on it tight, and you have the plastic over that.
Is the key is removed?
Key isn't removed. Now cover screwdriver. Later, just
Remove the key, no?
yeah. It tightens sufficiently. Yeah. Okay. We are not chalu. So it doesn't matter. The washer is depressed. Okay. So. Okay.
కానీ ఈ హెల్మెట్కి బయటకు వస్తామో ఏం కాదు. బయట
Yeah, 4 done. Let us try now first.
Okay.
Why?
Bro, you forgot this.
Yeah, that is.
That comes on the outside.
Because that will save your lock from rain, dust, and all these things.
పట్టేనా?
Yeah, done. So this just went into the little hole. You don't need to worry about it having a proper fitting or anything like that because it's just plastic. So
It just has to be, safely
secure.
placed, secured. That's it.
Sits in the hole. So when he screws it down,
got it.
the lock will sit in place. Right?
So now we have completed dismantling and assembling of Givi Trekker Outback lock. We may have actually failed in the process of swapping the lock with the Triumph Tiger lock, but we have learned a lesson what to do and what not to do. Hope this video was informative and helpful for you. Okay guys, now we will go ahead and install this top box on Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro. For installing a Givi top box, you need a top rack. Givi makes specific top rack for specific bikes.
These are the things which will come inside the pack, right?
This is an old top rack. The customer already had one, so he is trying to use the same one. For installing this top box, you got to first unscrew this 4 screws. And now you got to insert the spacers. When you buy a top rack, all these things will come inside the box.
Goes on like this. I have washers
This is
for
not
it.
a washer.
Okay.
Because otherwise the thread.
Let's put this one first.
And now the M7 plate will sit on top of it.
Holes have to match.
These screws, nuts, bolts, washers all comes with the M7 plate. You just have to mount the M7 plate and tighten the screws and then the job is done. Once the given 4 screws are aligned properly to the hole, make sure you tighten. This is how the well mounted plate looks like. I'm trying to ensure that all the screws are tightened properly. Now you got to install the bushes which comes with the M7 plate.
స్కూల్లో ఇక్కడ ఏం ఫీచర్ దట్స్ ఇట్
And now your Triumph Tiger is ready to be loaded with the top box and you are ready for your long ride. Kindly ensure that you get the clicking sound.
Hey guys, finally we have done with the installation and this is how the bike looks. It looks really awesome, guys. It looks really awesome. You gotta check it out.
This is to unlock, unmount, unmount, and this is to open the lock.
If you watched my previous video, you know how to unmount, mount, all these things I have already explained in my Suzuki V-Strom video. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.